Alright, 2013 Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive V6. We're gonna do the cabin air filter. It is underneath the passenger side dashboard, all the way down on the bottom here. Here, I'm gonna show it to you right there. See that little lever right there? You pull that lever up, and there's a little L bracket or cover comes right off. You're gonna have to do this by feel because there is no way that you can actually film in there and get an idea. All right, so I'm gonna grab that little piece right there. See if I can do this and hold the phone at the same time for you. Okay, go in here and grab this little piece here, pull it up. This piece comes out. All right, throw it off to the side. Inside this little slot here is gonna be the filter. It's really hard to get in there, but I dragged it out. This is what it looks like. All right, just the filter. That's the dirty one. That's the new one that's gonna go back in. All right. That's where you're gonna find the filter. Good luck seeing if you can get your body in there. If you move the seat all the way back, maybe get a little room. But it's gonna be hard to get your shoulder in there and your body in there to fit it in that little slot. All right, but that's where the filter goes. Goes right in there. All right, don't forget to follow the airflow, the way the direction is, and that's the way it's gonna go back in. Okay, not much room back there, guys. All right, we're gonna try this. I have to put the camera down in order to get it. All right. Hold up. Alright, like I said, it's a very tight fit in there. You can go through here, you can get an idea what it looks like. Okay. The filter is actually larger than the hole itself. That's why the old one looks like it was crushed. But yeah, that's why it's made of, it's like an accordion also. Right? So the slot is actually smaller than the filter itself. So you're gonna have to just squeeze it up a little bit. And that's what it looks like as it goes in. You see it? Okay, it's gonna go all the way in. I'm gonna put a little bracket back in. All right, hang on, need my other hand. All right, so once you tuck it in there, it'll be sitting nice and pretty. All right, so we'll film it this way. All right, there it is. Fits in there. A very small opening here. You can hardly fit in there, like I said. All right, and then there's a little black cover back, goes back on. And then you are all set, okay? Like I said, it's all about feeling here. Hear it? Clicked it. There you go. You're good to go. Cover is on. Filter is in. Adios.